At a quarter-mile, Saginaw Trail is the shortest trail in the park. It's also the only one that doesn't make a loop, so you're going to have to do a little backtracking to get back to start. This trail was discovered several years ago by a park interpreter who noticed a straight raised bed going through the woods. Turns out this is an old dummy line railroad that was used by the Saginaw Timber Company around the turn of the 20th century. Around that time, timber companies from all over logged out this entire area, and they would use narrow gauge railroads to take the logs from the forest out of the mill. When they finished logging an area, they'd pull up the tracks, take them over to the next section of forest to be logged, and lay them down there. If you walk the trail, you'll notice there's a few wayside exhibits, give you a little bit more insight into the history of the area. For you detective types, as you're exploring the rest of the park, keep your eyes peeled for more raised straight beds. There's a few other railroad beds that are in the park that haven't been made into trails. Good luck and enjoy the adventure.